Hello students, welcome to Top Class Physics channel, and I have taken for you a very beautiful question, and you can learn a concept through this question. That this is a mainly JEE advanced level question and from electricity. So three infinitely long charge sheets are placed as shown in figure. You can see the figure that three long charge sheet. These are not a line. This is a sheet. Okay, so three sheets are placed parallelly, and the electric field at point P due to these three plates, options A, B, C and D are given, and their charge density is also given, that is sigma for first plate. If I take this one is first, this is second and this is third plate, charge density sigma is for first plate is plus sigma, for second plate is minus 2 sigma, and for third plate this is minus sigma. Okay, so this is very easy. So as we know that for any infinitely long charge plate, so if I calculate electric field at point P, say, so this is infinitely long plate having say charge density is plus sigma. So what is the value electric field due to this charge plate at point P? The electric field equation is say E equals to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So this is the value, right? And what is the direction of this electric field? As we know, for plus charge, the direction is always away from the plate. For at this point, for this point also, this is away from this plate because this is plus charge. For any, if I take any plus charge, any positive charge, so any point, if I take any point around this charge, always electric field is away from that charge. And if I take, instead of plus charge, if I take a negative charge, the electric field is always towards of that charge. Remember it. If I take, this is negative sigma, the electric field value is same, but the direction is towards that plate. If I take negative charge, towards it. Remember it. So, and another thing, many students are getting confused that suppose this is the value of electric field, that is sigma by 2 epsilon naught, and if this is negative, then this is towards it, right? If I take, that is the positive x direction, so this is negative x direction, so if I take it like minus I cap, so this is our value as well as direction, this is the vector quantity, right? So many students are getting confused that for negative minus sigma, if I put here minus sigma or not, don't worry, just think clearly that for negative sigma, just put over it like minus sigma, like mod. Okay, so just take the mod value of this sigma and put the direction of electric field accordingly. For negative sigma, it always towards that plate, the direction is minus I cap accordingly, and for positive sigma, the direction of electric field is away from that plate, So if I take it for plus x axis, that is plus I cap. So don't worry about that sign of this sigma, just put the magnitude value or mod value of that surface charge density and put the direction accordingly. For negative charge, this is towards that plate, and for positive charge, this is away from that plate. Clear? So this is our value. Now just put the electric field value at point P due to these three infinitely long charge set. So just take this plate. This is not a line, this is an infinitely long sheet or like a plate. Okay, so as we know, the electric field value is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is direct distance independent. Whatever the distance between the plate and this measuring point doesn't matter, because this is infinitely long plate. This is not a finite plate. Okay, this is not a finite plate. For finite plate, distances depends. These distances depend, whatever the distance, or maybe for long distance the electric field may vary, but for infinitely long charge plate, distance doesn't matter. Okay, so that value is fixed, whatever the distance. Now for this plate, electric field value is E1, say this is sigma by 2 epsilon naught, because the charge density value is sigma, and epsilon naught, this is the free space or air, this is the medium of in between these plates. Okay, now what is the direction of this electric field? Because electric field is a vector quantity, so as we know, for positive charge, because this sigma is positive, for positive charge, the whatever the point may be on the plate or below the plate, whatever, the direction is always away from that plate. For this I considering for first plate, so this direction is away from that plate. So this direction you can say this is a z direction. This is a z direction, positive z direction. So this is negative z direction, that is minus k cap, right? So this is minus k cap. Complete. For second plate, E2. For second plate, just put the value of this surface charge density, that is 2 sigma by 2 epsilon naught, right? Because I just taking the mod value of this 2 sigma, and as we know that this is the negative charge, so that's why for negative plate the finding point or measuring point is always, the direction of electric field is always towards the plate. So I finding the electric field for this plate at this point, so this direction is always towards the plate, because I considering this plate now, the second plate. So electric field at this point is towards it. If I am finding this point, so this is also towards that plate. Okay, so our measuring point is fixed, that is P point, so this is towards that plate. So this is also negative z direction, right? This is negative z direction because positive z direction is this side. This is positive z direction. So this is also minus k cap, right? This is also minus k cap. Now for third plate, just calculate it. This is very easy because this is also negative charge density here, that is minus sigma. So E3 vector is sigma by 2 epsilon naught. For negative charge, for this point, the electric field is also towards that plate, because for negative charge always electric field is towards that plate. So this is also minus k cap. Okay, and you know this is distance independent. So what about the distance between, because this is nearest distance, this is nearest distance, or this is far distance, so doesn't matter, distance doesn't matter, only these values matter because the sigma value is for all the plates are given. Okay, now the total electric field you can say, so for this is a vector and for all the direction is same, because all the direction is negative k direction. So that's why the total electric field is E1 vector plus E2 vector plus E3 vector, right? All are added. Why added? Because they all are in same direction. So just put over here. So if I common minus sign, this is minus. So that is, if I common sigma also, if I common 2 epsilon naught, so I'll get 1 plus this is 2 plus this is 1 and k cap, right? K cap for all, this is minus sigma by 2 epsilon naught, 1 plus 2 plus 1, that is 4, that is 2 sigma by epsilon naught and k cap and minus. So 2 sigma by epsilon naught k cap, so B option, this is our right answer. Okay, I hope you understand well. So thank you so much, and please subscribe this channel and keep in touch with us. Thank you so much.